Welcome. Welcome everybody. Get ready for big one, like the wind did yesterday. Second day of the trading week. Pretty important day. And let's see where the market is heading at the moment. And I'm waiting everyone to show up because I'm already here with all of you. Thank you. Al Maruf, can't wait for your target bomb. Okay, very good. That's a good point. Coach, welcome. Guys, hi. Deepak, welcome. Thank you. What about gold? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. It's 9 already. Thank you. Travis, here, coach, welcome. Good evening. Thank you for joining the live session. Definitely, I stopped. Appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up. And you know, when the view is going up, I would appreciate if you smash the like button, where the likes is almost more than the views. So that means that you guys liking more than I expected. Thanks for your support. Absolutely appreciate that, the support that you're giving in the channel. All right, let's see. Let's see where we will be looking at Gbpusd and gold, both of them. We see that gold has got a sudden bounce, and also Gbpusd trending nicely. I'd like to look at quickly review the calendar, which is very important because tomorrow, pretty important day, as you can see. Tomorrow coming up, tomorrow there is news coming up on Euro, GBP, CAD, dollar, all of them. So Euro news coming tomorrow, and Euro news coming tomorrow, and then GBP, and then CAD, and then dollar. So with all of them, with all of this, we might find significant trading opportunity among all those pairs. So Euro news coming tomorrow, 4 high impact news on Euro, and then followed by GBP, 2 high impact news on GBP, and then dollar and CAD news coming tomorrow. So CAD, 3 CAD, and $2. So we will see increased volatility in all of them. So with that in mind, let's look at we'll be looking at one by one all of them. Looking at dollar CAD first of all, and also we'll be looking at gold because there will be an impact on gold as well. And we see that GBPJPY, we are running a trade, by the way, on GJ, massive trade. It's almost nearly to the hitting the profit target. Also, I will be discussing on the trade as well. So before we open any trade, definitely we need to look at something, that one as well. So I'm waiting to show up everyone, and let's first begin. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Patrick, welcome. Thank you for joining the live session. I appreciate your support to the channel. So let's begin. First of all, what we will be beginning with, I would like to know that majority of you, which one you want. I can begin with that. Let me know, traders, which one you want. I'm waiting to see what's coming up on the live chat. Okay. Gaza, hi coach, good day. Thank you very much. Kevin, hello coach. Hello coach, good evening. Thank you for joining the live session. Hello, good day, good afternoon. Thank you. Hi coach, are you unique mentor and implementing positive on your mentors? Siraju, yeah, absolutely. That's really good to hear that. Here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, we try to help as many traders as possible. Thank you. Gold. Yeah. Okay. So JJ, good. Okay. We see that gold is having more votes. So let's begin with gold. It doesn't mean that we will be ending with gold. We might end with something else. So let's begin first of all with gold. And with that in mind, gold, precious metal. I know that I love trading gold because I had the biggest loss on gold also. We'll be looking at that point as well. We always talk about the winning, also we need to talk about the losing as well, because it's a part of game at the end of the day. So let's begin with first of all monthly to see overall picture in the market. Right, so let's see that also. Let's look at. Okay, let's first of all begin with monthly chart. As usual, we will be looking at the monthly to see overall direction in the market. You can see from here. This is the monthly impulse. So far, pretty strong bullish impulse on the monthly. And with this monthly impulse, this is the monthly resistance line. This monthly candle is quite significant. As you can see, there is a long wick candle with a healthy body, and therefore we can expect gold to drop down further. I think from the monthly it's a bull market, but we see that after creating an all-time high has got a rejection. Because it has got a rejection, we can consider it as a correction, but I think that it's a deeper drop possible. Let's see how much it is dropping. From the lower time frame perspective, we will be looking at that. Dropping down to the weekly, here is the key points to look at. Okay, so weekly is a bit narrower time frame than the monthly, but I see something here that we can pay attention. First of all, here is the monthly impulse. Okay, so which is pretty important, monthly impulse, weekly impulse. And that weekly impulse, the market has reached that resistance line where you can see this is a resistance line, high liquidity zone, got a rejection from the weekly. And what we have seen that the market broken that low from the weekly, and then we see there is a rejection towards the upside. If you guys look at it, you can see big drop on the weekly pin bar, and the market has broken that low from this support level, which is in fact, if you look at, this is the lowest point of this neckline, which is the resistance turning support here. And here what we can see that from the weekly, it's here we can see the price has reached that resistance, expecting it to drop further. Dropping down to the daily. Okay, so here is on the daily. This is the daily drop here. Okay, now with this drop on the daily, here is the move correction, another move, deeper correction. We see another move, break of structure. This is where we can look for opportunity from the daily. The market, you can see this is the daily drop and it's a break of structure. This is what I talk a lot about it, about the break of structure here. This is a break of structure and there is a liquidity grab using the break of structure. And what we can see from this support level, the market has got a bounce to the upside. And from the 4-hour time frame, we saw a bullish candle, which is in fact a rejection. Therefore, let's see what we can expect here on the lower time frame. From the 4-hour, there is a big drop. The market has broken this low, and now too loud, isn't it? Okay, so At this point, let's take a look at that. Okay. At this point, the market on gold, we can see that the market from this level, there is a bounce, and this bounce has crossed all this high. There is a, if you guys look at 4-hour liquidity candle formation, has broken below. At this point, this is the 1-hour candle, and that 1-hour candle is also important. Okay, so here is 1-hour impulse, pretty strong impulse from the 1-hour perspective. And here is, if you guys remember, we had a trade yesterday, 2 trades. So this is where high liquidity zone, as this market is straight going up to that resistance. Today's zone that we can look at after break of this daily resistance. Okay, so I think that if the price break this daily resistance, we can expect from the break of this resistance for the price to grab liquidity and then to return back down again. Okay, so from the 1-hour, it's moving up to the resistance. Okay, and approaching the resistance line. Okay, so this is the resistance line where there is a liquidity, and wanting to see that gold is bouncing back above this resistance line, and then we'll see what happened. Either the market is trending in that direction again or breaking back below, though we see there is a potential kind of head in inverted head and shoulder. Let's see the 15 minutes. Okay, so here is, you can see this is a smart money area where inverted head and shoulder on the 15 minutes. And with this inverted head and shoulder, narrow red candles, break from this structure, pull back, series of higher low. And what we can see here on gold for the price to, this is the resistance, high liquidity zone. We can see that this market is breaking to the upside, wanting to see that the price is heading and then to break below. So this is where we might find a potential trading opportunity on gold. So I will be waiting for the price to break, grab liquidity, and then to drop down again to the smart money area. So this is the smart money zone. Let's see how the price is reacting to the resistance. At the moment, I wouldn't be buyer because it's still strongly falling market until it change its trend. Are you guys with me? Thank you for joining the live session, traders. In the meantime, join the free Telegram channel, link below this video in the description, for ideas, regular some trade setup, some ideas that I share in the free Telegram channel. Will definitely help you in your growth as a trader. And in addition to the VIP trades and ideas, also I do share some of my content ideas on the free Telegram channel to help the community, everyone to learn and grow as a trader. Looks good music. Okay. Couple of levels that I want to mark on here. So another resistance here. So this 1 hour move is a straight bounce. $30 also full green move, which is one sense is good, because when we see that full green move, okay, so with this full green move, resistance line, liquidity grab, expecting it to drop. Thank you. Okay, getting out. We see that rejection, breaking out of this level, and that rejection is important because this is where you will be looking to see how gold might be reacting. Daily resistance is being broken. This is, let me mark that up, traders. It's important that we write them down and mark this up to know exactly what's happening. So if we look at here, okay, so here is, so this is a resistance on the daily. Pretty strong bounce to the resistance line. So 30 minutes, 15 minutes. And this is a smart money level. If the market breaks below, then we can expect it to drop back again to 2393 level. And this is the daily resistance here. Okay, so we will be looking to see how the price is reacting to the daily resistance. Hi coach, this is my second live session with you. I really like your approach. So yeah, absolutely. We if you like our approach, appreciate your support. Also, I would recommend you to discover your own approach. Okay, so I don't want my students, mentorship students, to be rely on me. I was in your position one day trying to figure out which strategy is best, struggling to find the way to be profitable until I found my own way to do the things. I think that everyone has that uniqueness. So first step is to copy, okay? Learn, understand what others are doing, and then slowly, move to your own way of doing. That's where the real trading comes in play, right? So have to be able to commit to yourself for long term until you find your own strategy, developing your own strategy, and then trading based on that, right? So make sure, guys and girls, you find all of them. And yeah, this is where the difference between successful trader and a losing trader. Okay, so here is the 5 minutes from this resistance line. The price approached the daily resistance, getting a primary rejection. Now it's important to see either the market is rejecting or it's correcting. So that's where the most important question, right? Okay, so this is where there is a high liquidity. Okay. The 30 minutes candle closing with a, now we could take a risk here. Trading is all about risk, but I would be happy to see that the market first has broken the daily resistance. I wanted to see that the market has got a rejection from the daily resistance. So let's see where. Pretty bounce followed by, this is the 4-hour candlestick pattern is quite important. The daily 1 hour. Okay, here's a gap opening, and with a gap opening trying to bounce. Okay, let's see where it is trying to get hold on to it. Okay, so many people could jump on the trade. No, not yet. We might see now potential for rejection, but when I look at the multi-time frame, it becomes easy to follow along the price action. Okay, let's leave it here like that to see if the market is breaking down that level. Good afternoon from Nigeria. Thank you. Gold will go up today. Thank you. RSI gold. Hello, coach. Good morning. Thank you very much. I said gold is going uptrend. Yeah, we see that locally uptrend, but I think we might see the globally downtrend. New entry on Gbpusd. We'll see that. Coach, is that a bullish engulfing in 4 hour? We'll see that. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. 24202425. Thanks. Thank you very much. JPY. Yeah. So let's see. And Quick gold price action. Okay. Nothing coming up yet. Tomorrow, very important day. Looking at the news calendar also very important. Coming up, Euro and GBP and dollar CAD, dollar. So dollar CAD is important. GBP, Euro. So Euro dollar, GBP, USD, dollar CAD. These are the most important pair that we need to look at the moment for tomorrow. And see what it is heading. Now this market structure, the way it is forming, we can expect it to break down to the smart money zone, to the order block again. But before that, we want to make sure that it's in fact not going back up again for another retest, instead dropping back to the daily support level. I would be more interested to see the market at least has broken the daily resistance. Okay, so if it at least break the daily resistance, so you could see that the market in fact prepare for a bigger drop here. Okay. There's a potential for a break to the support. Okay, here 55 pip below this candle. I don't go by market. I wouldn't do that. So what I will do here, I will be placing pending order below this. So once the market will come back to that liquidity zone, we'll be placing that sell stop for around 55 pips stop loss to this support level, which will be 221. So I'm placing sell stop on gold at 2407.43. So I'll be posting a sell stop on gold, and then we'll be looking at also the GBP-JPY. I'm late in my approach. I have to enter by market. Okay, probably you guys are already on the trade. 394. I'm entering by market because it's already there. So you can either put a sell stop or so nearly there. So I'm short on gold at the moment. We'll be explaining the strategy, so make sure guys you stay tuned for that. So short on gold and expecting it to drop back down to the support, as we'll be explaining the strategy at the moment. What I think that because it's got a rejection from the daily resistance, if it wants to create a higher high, that will be stopped out. But if it drop back down from the daily resistance, that's where we will be winning the trade. Let's see how far we short on gold. And in the meantime, traders, did you like this stream? I'd appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. I don't know where this music came from. And we are short on gold. Expecting a rejection from the top as okay, here is we can see the rejection. Wouldn't be very happy to see it's forming a bullish market structure. I'm expecting it to drop again after this, forming a potential head and shoulder. Now this next candle is absolutely important because this one will determine either gold will bounce back up to the daily resistance or dropping down to the daily support. My bias is still downside. I'm still holding it. If you guys are enjoying the live session, don't miss out. Give a thumbs up. Join the free Telegram channel for all the updates, education, content that I am posting every day, including the VIP access information. If you want to access all my trade and also learn the strategy that I am trading, being part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, also you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Alternatively, you can join the free Telegram channel, link below this video, where also you can find all informations. So once you are on the website, click find out more, where you can access my trades in real time, learn the strategy that I'm trading, and also being part of the trading community. Okay, here is 30 minutes. My bias is still downside. Let's see if we see the market has come to the 30 minutes 20 EMA, also an important support level. Okay, pretty important to see that it's breaking below, which eventually could lead that price to the profit zone. I see the likes is going up, like the view. Thanks for your support, absolutely appreciate. Did you join the free Telegram channel? Awesome, thanks for being connected with us. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. And also in this channel we discuss about trading psychology, which is in fact huge part of being a profitable as a trader. It's all about psychology. So even if you have a very poor or very inefficient trading strategy, but still if you have a strategy, but you have sound trading psychology, you still can be profitable. Even if you're not a super profitable, at least you can be a break-even trade or break-even trader. But if you have poor trading psychology, the best strategy cannot give you profitability. So that is why I said that almost 60 to 70%, I would say that 50% is trading psychology. The rest will depend on risk management, strategy, and everything. So how do you develop that trading psychology while we are running this trade on gold? What's your view on that? Let us know. What do you mean by having a trading psychology? Okay, here 5 minutes looks like a doji, which is for me, it's a good sign that bulls didn't get a very strong strength here. So if it breaks below, then we might see that gold is dropping to the support level. Thank you for your presence. And why do you say it's falling market when there is a huge buy? Is there a pullback to go further down? Now the Sheikh Chaudhry. Okay, Chaudhry. Well, falling market, and this is where it comes down to the multi-time frame analysis, right? So it's not only one time frame. It could be bullish. I wouldn't say that I'm always right. Being wrong in trading is being humble as a trader, and to be profitable as a trader, one must be able to humble. And that's also a big part. What I'd say that a huge obstacle for a trader to be profitable is because of the cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance is something that every human being experiences. So and that's why trading is hard. It's not that finding a trade is difficult, but to overcome the cognitive dissonance. So and to be a profitable trader, you have to be able to overcome that cognitive dissonance, or comfortable being uncomfortable. Then you started to become profitable as a trader, right? So that's where you have to be okay to be wrong. In fact, wrong trader are those who make profitability, or who become profitable over the long term if you okay to be wrong. Because in fact, more often than not, you will be wrong, and you have to remain calm, like the calm water. Imagine that you are on a river. The more chaos in the water, the difficult to fish. So it's all about being patient and then remaining centered to your approach as a trader, without being distracted by the noise in the market or noise in the news. How to put gold logo on trade screen? So what did you ask? How to put gold logo on our trade screen? You mean on here on the page? What do you mean by? You just need to search. So if you go to the symbol and then search, click here and then search, and you'll find it. If you don't find, then search again, right? Keep searching, and one day you're gonna find it. So why do you say, or so this is what I explained. Gold, yeah. So it's all about being persistent Okay, good evening. GBPJPY, yeah, we'll go to that. You're running a trade on gold. There's Al Maruf. From the 4-hour, the first green candle show bullish from your teaching that I used. Okay. From 4-hour, the first green candle show bullish. You mean on gold? Yeah, the first 4-hour candle from the 4-hour, the first green candle show bullish from your teaching. So you mean this one? Okay, we see that downside. Okay, so you mean this one? Yeah, this one is a bullish candle, but at the same time, I'm not trading this one. This candle, I didn't open any trade. Can anyone let me know what could be the reason that you might be able to open trade, bullish trade, that's fine, but I'm saying that I know that why I didn't open, but can you read my mind, anyone? What could be the reason that I didn't open buy on this green candle on the 4-hour? Okay, so GBPJPY, how to put gold logo on our screen. I hope that you guys understood how much percentage risk per trade and what is your capital, sir. How much percentage risk per trade and what is your capital, sir? Both of them depending on you. You can take 0.1% risk to any amount of risk that you can tolerate. I take different risk in different trade depending on the market situation, depending on the trades and everything. So it depends on your circumstances, and that's what I do day in day out in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. In our last VIP Zoom class, we talk about the risk management, and if you are in the academy, you can even come to me individually. I am available to the members even if needed for you to guide you one-on-one depending on your trading psychology, your trading history, your trading everything. So if you are on the academy, it becomes much easier to access everything. If you are not, there is opportunity today to join. We have few spots to take on the mentorship program. If you want to explore more our mentorship program, 2 ways you can join. First of all, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. You can find link below this video and then click find out more, or you join the free Telegram channel for more information how to join and be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. We have 2 options to join, where you can see all my trade, learn the strategy, be part of. One option is via the website directly. The other option, alternative option available, you can find all the information on the free Telegram channel. So join the free Telegram channel or visit the website and be part of the trading community, where you can get access to all my tools, strategies, educational content, live trade, live analysis, and also in the free Telegram channel and Discord, I do share some of trade setup that we are running or the close trade. So that's also a big learning. All the trade that we open in the VIP Telegram channel, sometime I give a demonstration on the free Telegram channel so that you can get benefit from it. So yeah, it's also something I do share some of my ideas as well. How to put gold? Okay. Hello, coach. How do you build a good trading psychology? Very good question. How do you build a good trading psychology? You don't have to build a good trading psychology. You already have that. You just need to hone it. Right? So to develop or to find your trading psychology is what you need to find out is self-reflection and introspection, which is sometimes a bit harder to do that, I know that, but that worth doing. So everyone is different, right? Some of you very good at running marathon, some of you very good at running sprint. Depending on your personality type and the way you are, your trading psychology or the emotional reaction could be different. And that's why in me it was very hard to understand what kind of trader I am. When I began my trading, I had a very, I did all kinds of mistake possible. Over trading, FOMO trading, revenge trading. Sometimes I opened 10 trades, even I didn't know that until I realized that actually something else causing that. So that's why when I went to the mentor, then I understood that actually how they are doing, how I am doing, and where is the gap. And then it's important that you take a full notes. So what you can do is make a list. Okay, so let's say a list in one column. This is where you are, this is where you want to go, this is how you are trading, and this is how your mentor is trading. This is how your trading psychology, this is what you should be. Or if you don't want to follow a mentor, then you can idealize some situation or the way it should be, and then see how you can find the gap between you and your ideal version of yourself as a trader, and then try to fill that gap first in the mind by even thinking about it and then taking deliberate action. That's how it works. So there's no shortcut, but it's a shortcut in fact. Let me know if you have any question more on that. And yeah, if you are on the academy, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Even if you're not, also you can reach out to me. No problem, I'm always available as long as I have enough time for everyone. But if you're dedicated, there is always help available for everyone. Thank you. Because the direction buyers, Pamela, because the direction buyers is bearish. I assume that the bullish green candle could represent a pullback in the predominantly bearish trend. Okay, so I got a couple of answers. Let me look at that. Because the direction buyer is bearish. I understand what you mean exactly. This is what it is. The trend is down. I assume that the bullish green candle could represent a pullback in the predominantly bearish trend. Yeah, this is another way of saying the same things. That's what it is. So basically the trend, because of the trend, that's why we have not opened the buy on gold. Valerie Van, guys, remember to help your coach by placing the thumbs up, subscribing. Thanks for your call out. Absolutely appreciate your support. Sure. I'm also here to give my best. It will help him. So yeah, Valerio, thanks for your call out. Absolutely appreciate. Perolas, thank you very much. Welcome. Okay, so now expecting it to break below, we see that there is a head and shoulder formation, which is, if it is a valid head and shoulder, then we might see in fact a break from that head and shoulder. That's what I'm expecting on gold, guys. Are you expecting the same? Let me know in the live chat. And if you're expecting the same, then please don't double up your risk. That's where biggest mistake happens. That's what the hardest part is, to overcome fear and greed, which is the emotion in trading, right? Emotion is energy in motion, sometimes difficult to overcome, but in fact you don't have to. Don't try to overcome emotion, let it be there. That's what the difference between human and other things. The only thing is to let go. Don't FOMO trade. Okay, let go. So how do you let go the emotion coming in trading? By flow through. This is what exactly needed at the moment as a trader for you, is to learn to let go. And then you become very good at it. Okay, so developing a sound trading psychology is mastering your own emotion as a trader. I believe you're enjoying this music as well. Let's raise it up a little bit, isn't it? Dropping down, running in profit. Are you guys with me? Okay, we see there is the potential for support break, which is needed for us to break the support and then to break below to the liquidity zone. The price moves from liquidity to liquidity, and that is why it is important to know what is liquidity in fact, right? So this is what also we'll be discussing in this live session. If you guys love liquidity, then definitely this is the channel we will be learning the real trading. Below the support, come on, break the support. Why you are going up again? That's a weird structure. Expecting it to so funny. What's happening with the GJ? We are running a short trade on GBPJPY, which in fact running in good profit. I'll be also discussing on that trade while we are on gold still. Let's see what's happening with the gold, and then we'll be jumping back to GJ. I want to see that gold is breaking below here, and I needed that rejection. I think that if gold managed to break from here, from this support, we might see boom, sudden drop. That's what I'm expecting. By the way, we have opened, this is the fourth trade for the week, including the VIP as well as the live session. And you know, 2 gold trade, we had pretty good response. Now this one, wanting to see that it's breaking below. Come on. So it is going up. I won't be very impressed that gonna be very strongly bullish. The weird price action, 30 minutes. Okay, here wanna see that it's breaking below now again. If it now breaks the support, then should be able to see some downside momentum here, but it is possible for also a retest of the daily resistance. If that's the case, then we might see another retest of the daily resistance. Waiting on that. This is 30 minutes, and if the market is remaining bullish, then we might see continuation. Let's see how far it is heading. Too loud. Okay, so here is, and there you go. We want to see that it's breaking below. We need to secure some PPR up to this. If the market breaks below this 2403, we might be able to take some profit because there is a 20 EMA. Below this level, there might be potential rejection, but I think we might see at least a retest of this support and either further continuation or break again. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining the live session. I absolutely appreciate. Also, if you want to explore more about all the strategy that I'm trading, learning and grow as a trader with me, don't miss out the opportunity. Visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Alternatively, you can join the free Telegram channel where you can find more information. I do share some of my ideas, strategies, educational content in the free Telegram channel, along with other information how you can become part of this trading community. There's a gap opening, and that gap, I don't think it's a bullish gap. I think it's a bearish gap most likely. Let's see. There's a doji, and in the meantime, traders, have you liked this stream? Haven't subscribed yet? You can do that. Every day I do post content along with many other ideas that I share every single day, including over the weekend. I do post some of the content that will definitely help you in your growth as a trader. Okay, now the turn is to break. So our turn, isn't it? Expecting it to break below. Expecting it to break below the support. Wanting to see downside here. We're wanting to see that breaking below the support level. And with that break, expecting it to drop down to this liquidity zone. Wanting to drop down to this support. It's third 15 minutes candle. If it is forming a head and shoulder on the 15 minutes, still expecting it to break down to this liquidity zone. See how it's going here. Thank you. But loss, welcome. Let me know, traders, how are you doing? Okay, where is not updating here? Okay, so pretty important support level here. Okay, so there is a doji. So with this doji, expecting it to drop down in that direction. Okay, we see that break of support, which is important. Thank you guys. Okay, the market coming in the direction that you expected. Okay, so you are short on gold and running in profit. All right, guys, are you with me? So we saw that a completion of head and shoulder, pattern, and before the 4-hour close, expecting a downside here. Okay, taking 1 minute break, coming back. Hope that you guys enjoying the live session. Let me know if you have any question. That's a drop and then return. That's weird. Let's see where it is heading at the moment. Pretty weird price action. We've seen a rejection again. Didn't close it yet. The 30p profit drop back up, but still, if it is maintaining that head and shoulder, we should see that downside momentum. From this daily, from this 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. Yep. Want to see that it's breaking below. If it managed to break below, completing this head, left shoulder and the right shoulder, we will be looking to see the market to drop down to that support level again and then to break below. See what it is heading. Are you guys with me? Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press that bell button so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So on the resistance line, I'm very not impressed with the fact that the market might be going to be bullish from here. Could be. But I think that we might see deeper drop, at least break of this current low, which is expected, though the reality could be different than expectation. We need to see one more drop. Okay, we can see that rejection which is expected, and yep, we see there is a potential rejection wanting to see that is forming at least a narrow doji that might lead gold to drop down. And if we see a break, then we can take some partial profit and moving the stop at entry to make the trade break even. As you can see, bounce here, and now this move that I didn't like it. Let's see how far it is going. We need to wait for their price to drop again. See what's happening with the GBPJPY. GBPJPY is, we are on a trade on GJ which is running in almost nearly to the hit the TP 3 times. This is what I was talking about, guys, that trading is all about taking bigger reward, smaller risk. That's the key. You can see there is a big drop here on GBPJPY. This is a bearish market structure. We can see this is a 1 hour chart on GJ. The market grabbed liquidity multiple times. Okay, gold is notoriously bullish. I didn't like that bounce, but see how far it is going. I still believe that we might see that rejection ultimately coming drop. Let's look at the GJ here, and for me, I think this is the 1 hour chart. I would like to take a trade on GJ. We already running one, so what we will be doing, the first one, moving the stop loss here, and if you look at here above this 1 hour candle, which is will be 45 pip stop loss. Second trade on GBPJPY, this one we will be targeting to 2 to 1. I will be explaining later the strategy behind the trade, and this is by market, so make sure guys do the proper risk management, which is the key. 45 pips stop loss, and I will be also discussing in depth on this trade as well, so make sure you stay tuned for the full spectrum of this live session. So the first trade that we moved, the stop loss at this point above this 1 hour candle and opening another position. So this is the 1 hour chart, GBPJPY. We are short again, adding another position. So GJ, we are selling GBPJPY, again another position, while we are running gold as well, selling two trades that piled up in this live session. GJ, I'm short on GBPJPY. We see that there is a multiple liquidity grab here. I'll be explaining in depth on this. So if the market dropped to 200.65, we will be securing the first trade 3%. The second trade we have targeted for 2%. Opening another one on GJ. Yeah. So on gold, while we are running GJ, let me see what's happening with the gold. If the gold breaking this support here to 04.7, we might exit the trade while we are running GJ. Expecting to break below, and okay, since the market is dropping down here to the support level, and GBPJPY and GBPJPY form a very interesting price action. And for me, this 1 hour candle wanted to see that it's breaking below, closing as a bearish candle. That can give good amount of liquidity, grab from the top for further downside. Second trade of on GJ. Gold is yeah, it's now slowly coming down below our entry at the moment. Want to see that it's completely breaking the support here. This head and shoulder has completed now. Head, left shoulder and right shoulder. Wanting to see that gold breaking below the support, which is very important to see. The market is coming here to the support level. Okay, let's see where it is heading. Okay, let's see. Pretty important level on gold. Breaking below the support. Okay, guys, we see that GJ is now breaking below, running in good profit on gold trade. And it's important to see that the market, in fact, see where it is heading at the moment. Both of the trade running in the direction, so let's keep holding it. Gold IM is still holding. We see a complete head and shoulder formation. So GBPJPY, yeah, we see that downside. We'll be holding it for this potential drop. Now gold, are you guys with me? Thank you for joining the live session. If you're enjoying the live session, don't hesitate to join also the free Telegram channel, link below this video in the description, as well as if you want to also learn the strategy, we have few spots to take on the mentorship program where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. To join the mentorship program, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. We have few spots left to join, so if you for those who are dedicated, if I see that quite a few of you already ready to join, I might find a coupon depending on your how many members are willing to join. We have few spots left to take on the mentorship. Let me see here. Dear coach, how to find liquidity grab? Very good question. We will be discussing on that. Yes, thank you. Expecting the same. It will be great to trend together. Less trades. Thank you very much. Gold is bullish. Hi coach, the training material access is the course for lifetime. Yes, absolutely, Zubair. So everything you see here is for the lifetime. So if you are joining the lifetime access, then everything is for the lifetime. Very good analysis. Thank you very much. Still holding. Very good. We have news today. Yes, we see that. Thank you. Okay. What we can see here. Okay, now GJ moving very nicely. Gold, we need to see that either we'll be holding it or we'll be going break even. Let me see the way we see the candle formation on gold. 30 minutes, it's 30 minutes candlestick pattern is still bearish potentially. So looks like GJ might go well, and therefore gold, see where it is heading. Okay, we see that downside here on bearish. Okay, downside, moving down. Okay, gold is dropping down. Wanna take some profit peep here, guys? Are you enjoying the live session? Let me know. if you're enjoying the live session. Okay, so we see dropping down on gold. Yeah, we want to hold it. Okay, so you don't want to close it at the moment. Running trade. Okay, 30 minutes, a doji formation. Okay, so I'll be letting you know when I'm taking profit if I am. So I want to see that breakup support. Gbpusd looks impressive, so we'll be holding it as well. Gold is now coming down because we are running 2 trades, so we will be taking one very quickly. Another successful trade. Okay, now I'm exiting gold with the running profit because it's gonna be pretty exciting to see that GJ also running. So I am exiting gold because it might go for a bounce or may drop. Exiting gold with running trade. I'm running profit. We'll be running GJ because I don't want to double up too many trades. So I'm out gold with many pip here, 30 pip, nearly 30 pip, approximately. So I am out on gold with 30 pip. GJ running. Okay, so I'm running. I'm out on gold with 30 pip. Gbpusd is running. Okay, so we see there is a bounce, and if we look at the 1 hour, 1 hour close is a red bearish engulfer. For me, 1 hour candle on GJ is potentially bearish unless big boys are hungry for more liquidity from the top. At the moment, for me, it's potentially bearish. I would like to hold that trade on GJ, and I think that respecting this resistance, we might see the price dropping back to the support level. Gold, where we are out on gold, as I mentioned before, it might drop or it might try to grab liquidity from the top. So we are out on gold with the running profit, 30 p profit on gold. GJ, we want to hold it for bigger profit target. Strongly believe that traders, you are enjoying this live session. If you are enjoying the live session, don't hesitate to like this stream. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. And also for more content, educational ideas, as well as all my strategy that you can learn today, including all my trading tools. If you are our member, you can find a link below this video in the description. Also, join the free Telegram channel for all the information on how to get access to all of them, all the promotions, daily ideas also shared on the free Telegram along with the VIP Telegram channel. Now Gbpusd is running, and I will keep running Gbpusd. You can see that this is the running trade. So today, this week's guys, pretty exciting week. So if we summarize with the journal, we'll bring it journal very soon. If we just look at 2 gold trade winner, including this one, 3 gold trade winner, and Gbpusd is running. So 4 gold trade, in fact there is another one is running. So 4 gold trade and Gbpusd running, expecting this one also to win. So let's keep trading like that. This is the main point here, is to learn, grow, understand, and then trade. Tomorrow is a big day coming. Dollar and CAD news coming. Gold gonna be very volatile, so don't miss out any part of this session coming up for tomorrow as well. If you have any question, you can visit the website. There's a live chat option available. Ask any question that you have. Before I leave, if you want to what is that? Okay, so if you wanna trade with the same recommended broker that I'm trading, what is that? So if you want to trade with the same broker that I am trading, then you can find link below this video. Also, I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can click that link and then register and then fund your account and then start trading. So I'll see you there again, guys, trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy, have a good day.